Good day everyone, I'm Mohamed. In this video, I'll be showing you this Malaysia 1967 first series 5 ringgit notes. Before I take a closer look at the notes, let's take a look at what the book can tell us. So for this first series banknotes is issued between 1967 to 1972, and the bank governor note at the time is Tun Ismail bin Muhammad Ali, which means the signature on the banknote should look like this, because signature followed the current governor at that time period. So the size for this 5 ringgit note should be 127 mm times 71 mm. So the printer is printed by BWNCO, which stands for Bradbury, Wilkinson, which I will later show on the banknotes. And the prefix for this banknote start from A/1 to A/45. Now, I'll leave the book like this for at least 10 seconds in case any of you want to check the price. However, please take note that the price here does not reflect the current market price. The price may go up and down depending on the situation. Price is just a guidance here. Now, before we take a closer look at notes, for those of you to know how to identify this belong to the first or second note is by looking at the corner of the notes. So for the first series, this is how the 5 ringgit notes corner should look like. But if you go to the second series, there's a change in the pattern and the spelling. Oh, I almost forget to mention. So the second series is GABENUR, and the first series is GABENOR. Because the first series are using the old Malay. Now let's take a closer look at the banknotes. So this is how the front of the notes look like. Now this is still using the old Malay language, so the spelling is GABANOR. Later on, the next when they change to the next series, is a different spelling. Let's turn it around. This is how the back of the 5 ringgit notes look like. Let's take a closer look at the printer name. So bottom here should have the printer name, Bradbury, Wilkinson and CO. This is made by Maiden, Surrey, England. Now I'm going to pause the video for a while. Now the watermark for this, for all the first series notes is a tiger head. So at that period, they haven't used argon watermark, or they still use the tiger head watermark. So if you want to check whether your bank notes is real or fake or not, make sure you check for the watermark. If it's argon one, then there's something wrong in the banknotes. Now I'm going to pause the video again. Alright guys, so I hope you like what I do. If you like my video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.